Ray-Ban counterfeits are everywhere. That's why it's important, both for your health and your wallet, to purchase your sunglasses only from official Ray-Ban certified stores like Lentiamo. But what if you already own a pair and you are questioning its origin? Watch our tips and tricks and learn how to recognize an original Ray-Ban from a fake one. First of all, let's check various components of the frame. The model number must always be indicated on the inside of the left temple. The code begins with the letters RB and 4 digits. The remaining digits provide details about the color, size, and lens type. On the inside of the right temple, it must be pointed out that the glasses are made in Italy. Pay attention to the CE marking on the right temple. Please do not confuse the two following labels. The European CE mark stands for High Safety Standards. The Chinese CE mark stands for China Export. It has less space between the two letters. Each lens is marked with a logo. A printed Ray-Ban logo must be visible on the right lens for sunglasses, or the left lens for prescription glasses. It must be clearly defined and not protrude. An engraved Ray-Ban logo must be hidden on the left lens. The hinges of the frame must be made in quality metal and are never black. Check the nose pads carefully. The nose pads, if present, must have an embossed Ray-Ban logo. Not all original Ray-Bans are polarized, but some of them are. Did you know there's a trick to finding out if the lenses are polarized? Take your mobile and proceed like this. If you see the colors changing when you hold the lens in front of a screen, your glasses are polarized. Last but not least, you should check the weight. The fake pair usually feels lighter and less stable. All counterfeit sunglasses offer no UV protection whatsoever, so make sure you only buy genuine, original sunglasses. Fancy a new pair? Visit www.lentiamo.co.uk.